Hello, hi everyone. I'm going to describe about instrument transformer, and this is our kind of device which are used to measure current and potential in our power system GSS. In next slide, we are going to describe about the introduction of the transformer. What principles used to make transformer efficient, use of instrument transformer in a power system GSS, and protection of generator, power transformer, induction motor, a three-phase induction motor which are used in industries, advantages, and current transformer. Further divided the current transformer in two parts: shell type and ring type current transformer. Burden of an instrument transformer, it means that what kind of load we can connect secondary side of the transformer. Phasor diagram of the transformer, which I have told you, this instrument transformer is work on the principle of transformer. It's a part of transformer, but we can use this instrument transformer as a device, as a measuring device, to measure current and potential in series and shunt of our power system. Phasor diagram. Error in instrument transformer, it means that what kind of error occur in instrument transformer as well as current and potential transformer. Phase angle error, ratio angle error, or it means that error implies that the ratio between primary and secondary current, how it will be defeated from their ideal ratios. Method to minimize this kind of error, and types of current transformer. Okay, now introduction. I have already told about that abbreviations in the what kind of topic we covered from the given slides. Introduction, it means that these are a special type of transformer used for the measurement of voltage, current, power, energy, and power is measured by the energy meter, and watt meter, and energy is measured by energy meter. As the name suggested, these transformers are used in conjunction with the relevant instruments such as ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter, and energy meter. It means that we cannot always use wattmeter and ammeter to measure current and voltage in the power system, because its rating is not more efficient to measure a high power in our power system or grid substation and protection system. Type of instrument transformer, it means that this instrument transformer is further divided into two parts: current transformer and potential transformer. Current transformer is always connected in series, because from basics knowledge of electrical engineering we know that current is always same in series for any kinds of load, and potential is always same in shunt. It means that parallel connection of a circuit element. Use of instrument transformer, it means that I have already brief about that what kind of use our instrument transformer in power system is to insulate the high voltage circuit from the measuring circuit in order to protect the measuring instrument from the burning. I'm going to take an example. Current transformer are used to measure the current from the power system and also protect our power system to any kinds of heavy load, any kinds of heavy current flow in the power system. Okay, current transformer is connected in series in power system, and secondary of this current transformer is always connected with relay, wattmeter, energy meter, and that relay is connected to further for the power system for the working of power system and synchronizing of power system with the circuit breaker. And what kind of circuit breaker we use? That circuit breaker quench the fault which are occur in our power system. That's why we use a word here to insulate a high voltage circuit from the measuring circuit in order to protect instrument from the burning. Second topic we have, to make it possible to measure the high voltage with low range voltmeter and high current with low range ammeter. Third one is, this instrument transformer are also used in controlling and protecting circuit to operate relay, circuit breaker, etc. And the working of this transformer are similar as the ordinary transformer. Okay. Use of instrument transformer. The vital use of this instrument transformer is to measure the current through the current transformer, and measure the potential through the potential transformer, and voltage. The measure of current transformer, the primary winding is so connected that the current to be measured passes through it, and the secondary is connected to the ammeter. Secondary is connected to the emitter. It's a basic circuit diagram of the current transformer. Primary connected to the heavy voltage supply or heavy current, and secondary is connected to the step down for the case of current transformer. And the function of current transformer to step down the current but not voltage. Instrument transformer as a current transformer. Here is a circuit diagram. We can also observe that a AC supply from the power system. IP stand for primary current of the system, and load connected primary section, and secondary section there is an ammeter connected to measure the current, what kind of current and what magnitude of that current is coming from the primary ones. IP stand for primary current, I have told you. And one we can also observe from the given circuit is that the number of turns in primary is less than the number of turns in secondary, and that's why we can also say that number of turns also depend on the step and step down. IS stand for here secondary of the current, and A is ammeter. Use of instrument transformer, measure of voltage by potential transformer. It means that we have using here a potential transformer, and what kind of potential transformer, what working of potential transformer, what is the principle of working potential transformer is that we have to follow that, and we have to cover that topic in future. The primary winding is connected to the voltage side by the measure, and secondary to the voltmeter. As I told you, for current transformer, primary is connected to the current side and to be measured, secondary to the ammeter, and here it is the primary winding is connected to the voltage side to be measured, and secondary to the voltmeter. The function of the potential transformer is to step down the voltage to the level of voltmeter. There is a main difference between these two transformer, potential and current transformer, is that the current transformer is always work on the current, and the potential transformer is also always work for the voltage. Here a circuit diagram for the instrument transformer, or you can say that the potential transformer is AC supply is from a primary winding, and here the number of turns in primary winding is more than as compared to the secondary winding, and a voltmeter is connected to the parallel as a rule, because in parallel the number in parallel voltage is always same for all circuit element, and a second load is also connected in the secondary side. Advantage of this instrument transformer is the measuring instrument can be placed far away from the high voltage side by connecting long wire to the instrument transformer. This ensures safety of instrument as well as the operator. Second advantage is that this instrument transformer can be used to extend the range of measuring instrument like ammeter and voltmeter. Advantage of instrument transformer. Continue. The power loss in instrument transformer is very small as compared to the power loss due to resistance of the shunt and multiplier. As compared to the multiplier and instrument transformer, there is more advantageous this instrument transformer as compared to the multiplier, because multiplier have a number of setting, and on that setting we can change and find the voltage in our secondary circuit. By using current transformer with Tong testers, the current in heavy current circuit can be measured. Tong tester is an electrical equipment or electrical measuring devices which with the help of that we can measure the current in the live wire. There is only one difference disadvantage of this instrument transformer is that transformer is not working on the DC supply, and there is also a disadvantage. The only main drawback is that this instrument transformer cannot work on DC circuit or DC supply. Current transformer. Now we have to go through the current transformer. We have already discussing about the instrument transformer, in that current transformer and potential transformer, circuit of the current transformer, circuit of the potential transformer, as according to the number of turns, what measuring device we connected in secondary of the current transformer and potential transformer. Current transformer. In order to minimize the exciting ampere turns required, the core must have low reluctance and small iron losses. The following three types of core constructions are generally employed: core type, shell type, and ring type current transformer we use. Core type transformer, it is rectangular form. Core type, the laminations are in L-shaped assembled together. The windings are placed on one of the shorter limbs with the primary usually wound over the secondary. The main advantage of this type of core is that sufficient space is available for the insulation and it is suitable for high voltage work. That means this kind of transformer, this structure is used to protect our power transformer in the power system. There is a structure for L shape. We can say that the two L shape is combined with each other, and this is a core of the transformer. One by one, this core is laminated with the insulated, and this can be also for gapping purpose. Shell type. In shell type, the windings are placed at the central limb. It means that this is a shape of E. Thus, it gives better protection to the winding. As I told you, it's a shape of E, or you can say that there is two kinds of window is there. Ring type transformer. Ring type core is commonly used when primary current is large. The secondary winding is distributed around the ring and primary winding is a single bar. It is jointless core and there is very small leakage current in the ring transformer, and it's a figure connected to, and this type of ring type current transformer are used in various devices. We can say that we have a charger, mobile charger, there in starting there is a core ring type structure for current transformer is there. Okay, thank you.